Hi guys, it's Mosha and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'll be sharing with you my hair growth oil, which is the rose infused hair growth oil, and how you can make your own at home. And I'll be sharing with you how to make this and all the ingredients that you're gonna need. And you can use any oil of your choice, and these are the oils that I'm using. I have my castor oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, and avocado oil, and also some rose petals. These are actually edible rose petals, so they're organic and edible, and so they don't cause any health issues or anything like that. And these are my measuring spoons that I'll be using, and a little funnel just to help me get the oil inside of my bottle. This part was a little bit difficult, but while I'm doing that, I'll just tell you a little bit about the rose oil and some of the benefits that it has. So rose infused oil has many benefits, and among these include healthy fatty acids such as hyaluronic and oleic acid, antioxidants such as lycopene and vitamin E, which can help fight free radicals, anti-inflammatories such as polyphenols and vitamin E. Rose infused oil promotes a healthy scalp, therefore promoting healthier hair. It can help to strengthen the hair and thereby promoting overall hair growth. So obviously I was measuring my oils, and I will put all the measurements in the description box so you guys can follow that. Just adding all that in there. I was actually thinking it's actually better to mix the oil in a different jar, and then you mix them together so that the oil can be mixed properly and distributed within themselves, rather than mixing them in the bottle and then having to shake it up. So this is what I was doing here, and then I realized later that I should have probably just done this in a different part of the jar, then pour the oil inside of this particular bottle, because this is where we're storing our oil, and this is what the bottle will be using to use the oil on our hair. I'm just adding in a little bit more oil there, and I filled it up just about. And then this is your oil. You can add in some essential oils if you like, just to make it smell good. I didn't add anything at this particular moment because I wasn't sure what I really wanted to add in there, but you can add any scent that you like. And I just love how the rose petals look inside. I think maybe I might have put a bit too much, but I was going crazy, and so I decided to sprinkle some on the table for pictures and aesthetics, you guys. So it's pretty simple on how to make this. You can make it however you want. You can decide what oils you want to use and all that good stuff. And so on the next part, I am just spraying my hair with some aloe and horsetail tea, which I made. I will link in the iCard and in the description box for the video of how I made this mixture that I'm spraying on my hair. It's good for strengthening the hair, to stop hair fall, and just to prevent shedding and all that good stuff, because it is a tea. And then it's aloe vera. Aloe vera is very moisturizing. It has great moisturizing properties, and your hair stays moisturized for days. So my hair is currently in cornrows, and this is my routine. And so we get onto the oil that we just made, and then obviously applying that to the scalp, because I know you guys always like to see me showing you how I use the products that I made. So this is me showing you, and this has got like a dropper bottle, and obviously all you have to do is drop it in there. And I get so many questions about whether you can use oils when you've got braids, when you've got weaves. It doesn't matter, as long as you can get to your scalp. You can use oils anywhere in your hair. Like, it doesn't matter if you've got braids, you can use it. It doesn't matter if you've got cornrows or if your hair is loose. Just find a way to get it to your scalp. And it's good because you got this dropper thingy, and so you can use that to help you to get to the specific parts of the scalp, and then that helps you to distribute the oil better. And I'm also using my black seed oil for my edges. I also made a video on this. I will link it in the cards. It's gonna pop up on the left side or right, on your right. And so I focus on my edges because obviously that's my struggle area. So black seed oil has many benefits. If you want to learn more, then you can watch that video where I talk about that. It's linked in the description box as well. And then I just massage that into my hair and my hairline. This is basically my routine of how I moisturize my hair, and I was using different products, and obviously the rose infused hair growth oil was part of this, and obviously the black seed oil that I'm using. So you guys will also get to see the video of how I make the spray that I use as well. I think I mentioned that already. So I give myself a good massage on my hair. Give yourself a good massage to promote blood flow to the scalp and good nutrients to your hair. And so I'm just adding in a little bit more rose growth hair oil onto the palms of my hands, and I applied that to the rest of my hair, the rest of my braids, just to keep them moisturized, because obviously my hair is color treated and it gets super dry quite quickly. And then I was adding in my Shea Moisture Moringa moisture butter, I think it's called. Can't remember the name, but I will link it in the description box in case you guys are interested in knowing what it is. But this part is literally you don't have to do this part, but this is how I seal in my moisture oil, liquid oil and cream. So it's the LOC method that I use. I used to use the LCO method and I realized that didn't really work for me, so I used the cream at last. So let me know what method you use on your hair when you do your hair. What works for you? Have you ever tried both of them, or have you just gone with what you thought was working for you? Because that's what I did for the longest of time, and then I discovered that actually my hair prefers this version, which is the LOC method. I always get confused. So then I just put my hair in a mini braid at the back, making sure that I'm laying on my hair, no flyaways. And then this is what we've got going on. These are not the best cornrows that I've done, and you guys will get to see that video in a bit of how I did that. So after that, it's just to protect my hair and then go about my business, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Until next time, bye.